Hello students, our poem today is Silver. It is written by Walter de la Mare, the English poet. In his sonnet of 7 double rhymes personifies the moon. Personifies means what? The moon has given the human quality. Personification is also a figure of speech. The moon which turns everything into silver color means it is because of the moonlight everything is shining. Here silver color means to shine. Both living and non-living things glow in the night. Glow means shine. When everything around is still, noiseless and dark. You know, when night is there, everywhere it is calm and quiet, dark. The moonlight describes the beauty of dark night. Now, in the night we can observe many things because of the moonlight. The poet highlights the beautiful effects of moonlight on a countryside especially. Countryside, students, means what? Countryside is what? Villages. Now as we are living in city and town areas, many of the cosmopolitan cities are there. At night also throughout the lights are there because of electricity. Everywhere we can see. But the night which you really want to enjoy, we can enjoy that night in villages, that is countryside, where electricity is not there, and with the earthen lamps or complete darkness is there, and the real beauty comes over there. We can see through the moonlight the beauty in the night also. The night is still and quiet, and the moon is slowly moving as if it were wearing her shoes and spreading the moonlight. And at night how the moon is walking? Very slowly, like wearing her shoes. Here moon has given the poet has considered moon as a female and wearing a shoes and spreading the moonlight, slowly walking and spreading the moonlight everywhere. As the moonlight shines over some of the human settlements, that is small houses, huts, thatched roofs are there. Slowly, one by one, the windows of the houses are touched by the silver beams of the moon. Silver beam means the rays, like how sun rays are there, the moon rays are also coming. The moon moves over the trees, making them and their fruits appear silver in color. Now the moonlight is turning on the trees also. If you can see at night, when towards the trees also they shine, they shine into the silver color. Even the fruits of the trees are also, when the moonlight is there, the fruits are also shining into the silver color. Even creatures like dogs, doves are what? Like a pigeon only, a bird, small, brown color bird is there. It is there in their coat. The house of doe, the nest of the doe is called as a cote. C-O-T-E, cote. Mice and fish are struck by the moonlight, and hence their specific body parts like claws, feathers, breast and eyes shines because of the silver color. Now here it's a very simple and beautiful poem written by Walter de la Mare. It is describing the night in the rural part. Like there are rats also, there are small animals also. If you can see at night how the animals' eyes they are shining, how their feathers are shining, how the trees, the leaves are shining, the fruits which are growing on the trees, even they are shining, and they are shining because of the moon. Now here another message of the poet is that even the night is not that scary, that we don't have to be scared of the darkness, of the silence, but in the night also the moon is giving the beauty to the entire world, especially the countryside, that is villages. Now in this poem there are some beautiful and new words are there. Shone is what? Here S-H-O-O, shone means the shoes. That you all know that moon has given a Human quality personification. Moon is wearing a shoes. That is shoon. Shoon word is for shoes. Peer means what here? To look. Casements are what? When the moonlight is giving a light, the beam of light is coming on the windows. Here in the poem, the window, the word is given casement. Beam is what? A ray of light. Crouch is what? Bend on all fours. Now kennel, you all know that is a dog shelter. Log is a piece of wood. Paws are what? Forearms of dogs. Then cote, C-O-T-E, cote is a bird shelter, especially of dove. Then mice, harvest mouse is a what? A breed of small rat found in the fields. Scampering means what? Running with quick and short steps. Who is running? Animals, rats, mouse, yes. And how is the night over here? The word moveless is written. That is motionless. No one is moving. Gleam is to shine. And reed is riverside plant. It is a name of riverside plant. It's a beautiful poem written by Walter de la Mare, and it is describing the beauty of our town, of our village at night because of the moonlight. I have joined more. I have given the link of this poem in detail, and even in the Zoom class I am going to explain you